Welcome to this tutorial. Google Drive Offline Access, Easy Setup Guide. Have you ever tried opening Google Drive without internet and everything just stopped working? This video fixes that exact problem using Google Drive Offline Access. Let's begin the setup now. Open Google and search Google Drive for desktop. Now click on Google Help link. Scroll down and click on either Download for Windows or Download for Mac. I want to download it for Windows. Now download the official Drive application. Install the software on your computer. Sign in using your Google account. Open the mirrored Google Drive folder from your computer. Disconnect internet. Open any synced file directly from the folder. Edit and save the file. Reconnect internet later. Allow Drive to sync changes automatically. Now, your Google Drive files are fully accessible offline, so work, edit, and stay productive anywhere, anytime. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.